Hi everyone, it's your girl Regina coming to you with another video. I'm super excited about this video because I am about to introduce a new sublimation blank that I have in my website now that you guys is going to love to sublimate on, as well as add to your collection, your sublimation business. So what I'm about to show you guys is what is called a 16-ounce 4-in-1 tumbler. Yes, I said it right. It's a 16-ounce 4-in-1 tumbler. So I have one right here. And so basically what it comes with is a straw. It comes with a tumbler lid. And it comes with another lid. And so what the 4-in-1 tumbler does is it's just like the 20-ounce drinks, but it keeps your bottle drinks cold. Like if you at a cookout, you at a boat, people go on boats for the summertime, you at the beach, and you have your bottle, so it keeps your bottle cold for up to 24 hours. Just like, the Sublimation 20-ounce tumbler, they double wall stainless steel, and I have left my cup inside my car before and came back the next day and it still had ice. These are the same. If you had like your canned soda, you can put it right in here and it folds and it just twists down right on top of the can, and you can drink your soda. You can drink it straight or you can put your straw in it. And the good thing about these is we get to sublimate them and make them customized. We can customize them. And if you don't have a bottle or a canned drink, it comes with the lid. And what I like about the lid, the lid has a handle and it screws right on. And now you have a 16-ounce tumbler ready to go. So it's a 4-in-1 and we're gonna sublimate on to it. I actually have to do it for a customer. So this was, like I said, the perfect time to do a video to show you guys just how my new 4-in-1 tumblers that's in my website, so 4-in-1 blanks, how to sublimate them and how they work. So we're gonna turn the camera down and I'm gonna show y'all just how to sublimate it. Okay everyone, I have here my customer requested design. The height is 6.0 and the width is 10.0. I already cleaned off my tumbler. For this project, I will be using my heat transfer nation oven. I'm not sure if these tumblers will fit inside of the tumbler press because they are they fatter than like the 20-ounce. So I recommend like you use your sublimation oven, or if you converted a confection oven or the air fryer, I would suggest that you sublimate this particular tumbler in one of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape mine down just like I do a regular tumbler. I am back everyone, and I do have the tumbler all nice and cooled down, fresh out the oven. So we're gonna go ahead and unwrap it and reveal it, and I'm gonna just show you how nice these 16-ounce 4-in-1 tumblers are. So let's go ahead and get this paper off. Okay, and one of the things I do like about my videos, especially when I'm doing a product, is the reveal. So we're gonna go ahead and get all this off. I wanna thank everybody for being a part of my channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I have been slacking off a little bit, but I am back, you guys. I have a couple of more. I'm pretty much doing 5 videos in 5 days. So make sure if you're in the sublimation, you hit that subscribe button. so that you won't miss out. And you can always head over to my website if you want to grab one of my tumblers, sublimation blanks, some of my wax melts, my strong smelling wax melts. My website is sidehustlequeencreations.com. It will be in the description bar. And your purchases do help the channel grow. It allows me to buy different products that we can try out. Okay. I got some tape in the inside. But for the most part, you guys, there you have it. The 4-in-1 sublimation tumbler. Where's the line at? Okay, there go the line. I like, so when I can't find the line, that's always a good thing. You have to really look close. But this is the 4-in-1 sublimation tumbler. And like I said, it do hold cans, bottles, and you can actually use it as a tumbler. So make sure you head over to my website and grab you some of these blanks and try them out. See if they work for you. See if you can make you some extra money off of them. Like I said, I did a couple of and took them to a pop-up shop and they all sold out. So again, these are great 16-ounce bottle holders. I really, really, really love them. And I want to thank everybody once again for watching another one of my videos. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.